A very good morning, principal, staff, of course, scholars and students who are online of University College of Arts and Social Sciences, Osmania University. Cordially invite you to the felicitation function with all the COVID protocols which you are seeing now of our Honorable Vice Chancellor of Osmania University, Professor D. Ravinder. Indeed, most of us have been waiting for this day from 24th of May 2021. Though personally, Honorable Vice Chancellor was not willing to give us appointment. However, after our continuous pursuance to show our gesture of gratitude, we in fact compelled our Honorable Vice Chancellor to accept our invitation, and hence this is the day for which we are gathered here. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation, and sorry for compelling you. To start this program officially, I request Professor C. Ganesh, Principal, University College of Arts and Social Sciences, to come on to the dais. Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor D. Ravinder, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Osmania University, to come on to the dais. Thank you, sir. I request Professor A. Karunakar, Dean, Faculty of Arts, to come on to the dais. Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor K. Narendra, Dean, Faculty of Social Sciences, to come on to the dais. I also request Dr. Syed Azimuddin, Vice Principal, Hostel and Messes, to come on to the dais. Thank you, sir. I am honored to introduce Professor D. Ravinder, our Honorable Vice Chancellor of Osmania University, who has assumed charge as the 25th Vice Chancellor of the 100-plus-year-old Osmania University on 24th May 2021. Honorable Vice Chancellor has a very humble beginning. Sir's inclusiveness and conscience-stricken commitment to the responsibility is a result of today's gathering as a very small gesture of gratitude from our college. To go into the details, Professor D. Ravinder hails from Vadlakonda village, Jangam district, did his schooling and college at Jangam and obtained his degrees of MA, MPhil and PhD from Osmania University. He joined the faculty of the Department of Political Science, Osmania University in 1990, and thus has more than 30 years of teaching, research, and academic and administrative experience. Professor Ravinder is one of the few academic administrators of Telangana state to be trained in leadership in academic programs called LEAP, sponsored by the Ministry of the Human Resource Development, Government of India, at the University of Hyderabad and at Monash University, Melbourne, Australia. Professor Ravinder has rich and diversified experience in research and academic administration. Sir served as an administrator as a principal, PG College Secunderabad, and of course this prestigious college, Arts College, for about three for about 4 years. He also served as Dean, Faculty of Social Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi University, Nalgonda, and also Deputy Coordinator for CAS at sponsored by UGC. As an academician, Professor Ravinder's interests include Indian political process, state, government and politics, public policies, with special reference to rural development and governance. Sir has number of research articles and books for his credit. As a sound academician, we see Sir's writings prominently appearing in Economic and Political Weekly, Routledge Publishers, Sage Publications, Indian Journal of Political Science, Indian Journal of Public Administration. Professor Ravinder, having worked at all the constituent colleges, including Women's College, Nizam College, PG College Secunderabad, and being on various boards and committees of the universities in terms of his academic and administrative process, Sir has a fair understanding of the university administration and the issues of the university. As a principal of PG College Secunderabad and as a principal of Arts College, Sir had brought out various reforms in teaching, research, and administration. Particularly, Sir's approach has been based on inclusiveness of teachers, students, and administrative staff. He has been following problem-solving approach as an administrator. Professor Ravinder's introduction of innovative programs at Arts College, especially programs like Academic Research Committee and the establishment of 2 research centers like under RUSA project of Axis and Centra also contributed for the research and development of the faculty members at Arts College. His initiative of the appointment of student coordinators and creation of students discussion forum has resulted Sir in coming closer to the student issues and also having the opportunity of regular interaction with the students. Further, his initiatives of giving training to the supporting staff in terms of skill upgradation of administrative staff and the automation of the academic administration brought accountability and transparency in the academic administration. As a vice principal of the college, I thank Sir for the administrative learning experience I had at Arts College when Sir was principal, especially ARC that promoted interdisciplinary academic discussion forum, for Invictus, our college newsletter, number 3, for the Festival of Ideas that encouraged the young minds, number 4, for the student coordinators initiative to know the difficulties of the students as a platform to enhance the academic ambience at Arts College, for RUSA mini centers, that is Centra and Axis, and the research projects that took place under it. Number 6, for the WhatsApp groups to conduct online classes during this pandemic, especially the way offline classes, offline exams especially, conducted before the pandemic with zero tolerance to malpractice with the support of the deans, faculty members, and the college examination cell. I also thank for the e-classrooms, the room we are sitting now, Centenary e-classroom, and the RUSA committee room, and the two rooms, like Ross Masood Hall and Jasper Hall, which were again an initiative by Professor Ravinder in terms of, and of course, sir also tried a lot in terms of the roof leakage of this college, and still it is in progress, and hope in near future we will be looking at good things at Arts College. Thank you very much, sir, for your acceptance and for being with us this morning. I'm also happy to introduce Professor C. Ganesh, our principal at Arts College. As we all know, Sir is the head Department of Sociology and also former director of Center for Distance Education. Professor Ganesh's area of specialization includes rural sociology, rural development, science, technology and society, human resource development, and developmental studies. As an academician, Sir has published 5 books in the field. I am also happy to introduce Professor C. Ganesh, our principal at Arts College. As we all know, Sir is the head Department of Sociology and also former director of Center for Distance Education. Professor Ganesh's area of specialization includes rural sociology, rural development, science, technology and society, human resource development, and developmental studies. As an academician, Sir has published 5 books in the field and has completed 2 UGC projects relating to the area of specialization. Professor Ganesh organized 12 national conferences on various themes related to the issues of development in India and issues related to rural, urban, and tribal development in India. Professor Ganesh participated in many conferences and presented papers at national and international level. Sir also delivered 100 lectures on various topics, more than 100 lectures on various topics across the country in institutes like NIRD, AP, AP Police Academy, Telangana Police Academy, MCR Institute of Human Resource Development, and HRDC centers across the country. He is also holding the additional responsibility as the Associate Editor for Osmania Journal of Social Sciences. Very recently, when we had a meeting with the Academic Research Committee, we could see his enthusiasm and encouragement to revive this Journal of Social Sciences, with which all our faculty members were very happy. Apart from academic and research activities, one of his passion, I insist, one of his passion is to train students for national level competitions. And I have encountered this passion when we had a recent meeting with the student coordinators program at online. And his address to the students was in such a way that his plan to bring academic vibrancy at Arts College was really visible in his talk with the students very recently. And of course, we had a number of meetings very recently with all the committees, and we could see Sir's clear plan about what to do at Arts College in terms of teaching and non-teaching and student activities. Professor Ganesh also was an academic administrator in various bodies like the Director Competitive Examinations Coaching Center, State Coordinator of AP Set and TS Set, Director of BC Cell, and of course Director of Distance Education, besides his statutory responsibilities like the head chairperson of the department. Thank you very much, sir, for making this event happen this morning. I take this opportunity to introduce Professor A. Karunakar, Dean, Faculty of Arts, a senior professor in the Department of English, Osmania University. Sir was a former director for Osmania University Center for International Programs, formerly called as ASRC. Professor Karunakar is the founder editor of Remarkings, a biannual literary journal of letters of international repute, and he has published widely in various international and national journals. He has edited and published books on American literature, African American literature, and literature related to multiculturalism. Attended many national and international seminars, presented and delivered plenary and keynotes at the conferences. Sir also took the responsibility as the local secretary of 62nd All India English Teachers Conference at OUCIP Osmania University. We welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for being with us. I also take this opportunity to introduce Professor K. Narendra, Dean, Faculty of Social Sciences, who is amongst us this morning. Professor Narendra is a director of Educational Multimedia Research Center, Osmania University, since 2016. Sir was also a coordinator for Center for Advanced Studies, CAS 2 of the Department of Communication and Journalism. Sir was the chief investigator for the research projects that are related to state government and projects that helped teachers to cope up with the technology, like motivating factors and assessment of districts like Adilabad. Sir was also a member and resource member of UPSC. He was a media advisor of STMF, media advisor for, and of course, communication consultant for Dreams, a multimedia and a chairperson of Women's Commission. Sir was also director of SRT Rural Institute, consultant of Indian Prosthodontic Society, editor for various books and journals, and Sir's list is very extensive, and I thank for giving me this opportunity to introduce you in a very brief way. Though this was a brief CV which is produced to the principal's office, which is given to the principal's office, but lack of time, you have to excuse me and excuse for the brief introduction which I give. I'm also happy to introduce my colleague, Dr. Syed Azimuddin, Head Department of Islamic Studies and the Vice Principal of Hostel and Messes, to be part of the dignitaries on the days. I welcome all the heads, chairpersons, faculty members, non-teaching staff, press and media, people who are helping us from the Department of Journalism, and all the dignitaries who are there in this hall this morning as a gesture of gratitude to this event. Thank you very much. I now hand over the proceedings to Professor C. Ganesh, Principal of Arts College, to preside over the event. Thank you. My apologies. I also welcome our EC member, Professor Talat Sultana, I invited her and welcomed her, but because of my height and the podium, I couldn't see her. Ma'am, you're welcome. Thank you.